Greetings from Lake Flaten and the north side of the beach that is a lot more secluded, and it is definitely in this type of forest on these cliffs that you can be naked for sure, as it is clothing optional and there is nobody also in the forest. Plus it's also a bit off the road as well. We continue with the beach adventures, beach to number 97 I think we came to. I lost track of count, but it is 21st of August and right now it's 11:25 a.m. so quite early today I would say for a beach adventure, and the lake looks amazing. And off we go directly with the thermometer to see the temperature, how much it really is, as I'm showing you around the beautiful nature over here. And my Scott gravel bike got me here, but it was mostly road. Actually all of it was road except the last 100 meters in the forest. 9 kilometers 24 minutes it was today. Slightly chillier today we have, chillier, a bit warmer than yesterday, 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and when it is not so much windy it feels a lot warmer with the sun that it's hiding a bit also behind the clouds. And 20 degrees Celsius in the lake, which means that it's gonna be a nice beach adventure indeed. And I waited a bit for the sun to reappear, but it won't be for long anyway, it seems. But I need to carry on with the beach adventure anyway, so we're gonna go for a swim in Lake Flaten, and I'm about to decide if I'm gonna do 30-minute swim after this. I just had some protein coffee actually and chocolate, a little bit of energy as I need to cycle back also. So yes, it looks like the sun is out for today, but at least we won't have any rain today, which is amazing. But I just love the reflection of the water here in Lake Flaten, and I really enjoy my time here when I come for a beach adventure, as it is so calm. I don't see a single person around the whole lake right now. I am the only one, and the only one that's gonna be swimming also in the lake, and this is unbeatable view indeed, right? So here we can clearly see what's in the water. It's so clean and so clear and fresh as well. Right, so look at that. I will create now vibrations in the water, as there is no wind and no waves at all today in Lake Flaten on this nudist beach spot here in the beautiful nature. And you can see that my hair is also growing. It's day 163 since my hair transplant. It has been 5 months and 13 days since. So the water is a bit chilly, so I think I'm gonna, even though it's 20 degrees, I'm gonna skip the swimming here and I'm gonna head to my swimming pool later today for a much nicer swim, because there inside it is 28 degrees in the water in the swimming pool. So are we ready for a dip? Because I am, as the sun shortly reappears now suddenly. So ready, set, and go! Whew. Amazing. Not that cold actually, but yeah, it's anyway super amazing indeed. Beautiful day for beach adventure on this 21st of August. And yeah, what else? In 10 days I'm going on vacation, actually traveling abroad for a week, on my birthday actually. So my birthday is in 10 days, and I look forward to it, and to visit another country, which is a country that I have been to already, but still. Alright, time for me to wrap up and enjoy some bit more time in the lake. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.